I am Dr. Balasubramanyam, PR, consultant orthopedic surgeon, practicing in Begur, Jayashree Multispeciality Hospital. I mainly specialize in joint replacements, complex joint replacement surgeries, arthroscopic surgeries, and fracture surgeries. I also do spine surgeries. TKR means total knee replacement. Nowadays, it's a very commonly done surgery because the technology is like that, which was not there before. And it's usually done for arthritis of the knees, where the worn out joints are replaced with artificial joints. It's a very commonly done, and the patients will be pain free immediately after the surgery. Patient will be able to do all their activities which were not doing before because of the pain, which was limited by the pain. So they will be coming back to their normal life after the surgery. The advantages with knee replacement is, so the pain which was hampering all the activities throughout their life will be gone in one day. That means not in one day, but after the surgery, immediately afterwards.